how to enable the LED indicator to notify you of notifications that you have not read yet or just simply newly received notifications. This is for the Samsung S9 or the S9 Plus here, and that LED light I'm talking about is the one that will appear right in this section here. It's going to be a blue light there letting you know there's a new notification, and of course, for the battery, it's going to be a green light. Okay, so here's where you can go to enable this setting here. At default, it's not enabled. So from the home screen, you'll use the quick panel access and you'll tap on the settings icon right here, this one right there. Then while you are here, you will want to go to where it says notifications. Okay, this one right here. Then you'll see the LED indicator right there. It's gonna have that option here. You could go ahead and turn that on, and then of course it'll show you that light. If you don't like it, you can always come back and turn it off. But that's that. Like and sub. Thanks for watching.